Good morning and welcome to Bawer. Today we introduce the metal evolution line, which is available in different finishes. We have the black powder coated steel, we have the aluminum with stainless steel lid, we have the matte stainless steel, and we have the polished stainless steel. The metal evolution line is also available in different configuration and dimension. We have the 500, the 600, the 800, and the 1000. The main features of the evolution line is, first of all, innovative design. We have the complete embossed lid, so without weldings. We have an integrated handle, and is also a very light, but at the same time very strong box due to innovative technical solution. Of course, the evolution line is homologated as lateral protection device. But let's see one of the top configuration of the evolution line, which is the premium, which is endowed with gas springs, pull-up drawer, and the main feature is the fast mounting system with the two tubes available in different lengths, which allows to mount the box to the chassis in a very easy and fast way in order to save production cost and time. But let's see how the fast mounting system works. Now Michael is fixing the two pipes on the chassis with one bolt. Once the pipes are fixed, you just need to slide in the box. Once clicked, you apply the protection caps for extra safety. Light, resistant, and fast to mount. This is the evolution line. For further information, please visit our website www.bawer.it. Thank you.